Hey guys, I'm back to show you guys part 3 of the first 2 videos. I have on some new nails that came from Amazon. I just want to show you how it came. A few other things that came in from Amazon, and the nails that I got cut off on the last video. I want to show you guys some nails that I got, and let me know what you think, which ones I should choose or which ones I should wear next. There's a light blue here, pale blue. Here's like a peach color. It's like a light pink peachish. Hit that like, subscribe, and comment, please, and much appreciated. Like I said, down below, let me know which one you like the most for the next video. This is like a light pink. This one here is a brown. Not really into brown that much. And there's like a darker mauve, or mauve, I should say. Kind of like a pink color too. Here's some orange. I really like the orange. I'm wearing orange on right now. Those are the ones I got from Amazon today, the ones I'm wearing now. Some light orange, really light. And there's like a lavender purple, and then a gray. So I don't know, what one do you think is best? I'm letting you guys choose what I wear next for the next video. These are super long, but I like them. Just putting them back quick, and I'm going to show you a couple things here from Amazon. Alright, I got a new stand. It came in the box folded like this, like so. It was under $20. I think it's awesome. I tried it already. So you just flip this open. And you put your phone in here. Just pulls right here to adjust it. You can also turn it like this. Let me do it like this with my nails. So it's just like 3 little clicks this way and back this way. 1, 2, 3, like that. And then there's a remote right here. You hook up to your Bluetooth, and you push this button for a couple seconds, about 4 seconds, maybe 5. And then it flashes, and you click on your Bluetooth to the name that it has on the instructions. And you pull it open at the bottom here. Just pull these 3 little plastic pieces, and you let it stand like that. Show you from the top like that. I think I need a bigger table. Yes, I do. And you can pull it like to make it longer. See how I pulled it like that? Close it at the bottom and pull like that. I really like that it has the little button for the remote. Super cute. It's awesome. So yeah, it's good for your selfies, videos, anything you want to use it for. If you go live, do lives, that's what it looks like. Oh, I was about to fall. And in this container here, I got a little tiny microphone. It came like this. There's like a little stand there. There's a piece of the stand here. I'm pretty sure this hooks up in here. Yeah, that's how it goes. Then the microphone came like this. I put the spongy part on. You don't have to have the spongy part. You could take that off if you want. Let me untwist it a little bit here. And here we go. There's the spongy part. You don't have to have that part. You can take it out. It just looks like a microphone underneath. I think it looks really cool. I prefer it like that, actually. So I'll just leave it like that. I got the rose gold because I thought it was really cute. So you hook this up to your phone. Make sure your case is off, because sometimes it won't work with the case on, depending on your case. Or if that one doesn't work, because some iPhones, you can hook your earphones to there, or you can hook your other hook up to there so it works to plug in. I think that's how it goes. I'm not 100% sure, so I shouldn't say that. Scratch that. What I wanted to say was just this part here goes into your phone. I don't have the phone to show you. I'll give you an example. This is like the case, right? So you stick it in. Oh, wrong way. Yeah, no, it's the right way. Stick it in the whole thing that is here. But with this case, it won't, like, it doesn't give too much contact. So I have to take it off. And with most cases they're like that. So you'd slide it in and it would work, right? But because this is in the way, sometimes it stops it from working. And you put your earphones, like these ones, inside this part here. So it's kind of like a review, but not really because I'm not turning it on or anything. Stick that in there. And you put on your earphones, snap it, put your earphones on, and you go on your lives. Talk to somebody on the phone, whichever way you want. It's really, really cute way of doing it. I think it's awesome. Seriously, like, if I knew a long time ago, I would have got this just because. I thought, I'm not going to be honest, like, I got to be honest. I thought it was about maybe this big. Like, if I show you let me just put a candle beside it. It's really small. Super small. If I put it next to my hand, maybe I get a better idea. Like, see how small it is? It like fits like that in my hand. I have a small hand. I have longer fingers, but smaller hand. Yeah, I really like these nails. They're awesome. Let me know what you think down below. But yeah, it kind of matches the nails in a way if you look like that. But it's a rose gold color. All right, and was that it? Nope. And the nails. It came in this really nice pouch with this name on it. Feng, F-E-N-G-G, felt. And it came with wipes, wet and dry, some stickies inside, instruction manual. I even think there's something else in there. Let me see. Yep, there's a little like stick to pull back your cuticles. And there's also the filer in there. So you're all set up with that. And even these. Oh my goodness, they're so cute. Joyful nail. I didn't put those on because I want to save them. They're really cute though. What do you think? I think it's cute. It's awesome. Like, these colors will go really good with the orange. The reds and orangish. Yep, so it's like that. It comes in like this. A really nice package. And there's only one more thing I wanted to show you from Wish. This is like, looks like a little booklet. It says Princess. Let me take this stuff out of the way quick. Let me pause. All right, so here we go. This is a Princess. The shine of a star drill moistens your lips, I meant to say. I screwed that up, but it's really, really like holographic and sparkly. Yeah, it's a Chinese one from China. Shows you all the stuff in the back if you can read it. And it's a lipstick. You open it up. Star Diamond Bright Lips. That's a dark color. It's like, it's really shiny to the point where I couldn't even read it that good. Plus my mouth is a little bit dry today. Forgot to grab my water. Sorry. Really sparkly and shiny like that. That was cool. And this is the way it looks. I think you can use that as a mirror if you want. This is, oh wow, there is a mirror in there. I forgot about that. You can see my phone stand. You can see my phone. Woo, nice. So yeah, that's the mirror and this is the lipstick. It's shaped, wow, it's shaped different. I only looked at this once before and I haven't even used it. It's got a weird shape there. Yeah, it's nice though. Beautiful. Yeah, sparkly, sparkly. Put it back in there. Just trying to get like a different angle here. Yep, so that's everything. I want to thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment. Take care. I'll see you next time. Bye.